everything like what's up, Katie gang? It's your girl Katie back again with another lit video. This is like a new first on my channel and I am a bit excited about this. It's like my first mukbang. I am going to be doing an African food review. As you guys know, I am half Venda and half Zimbabwean, so I am going to be doing a little mixture of both. And this food is ate in both, from both my parents. And yeah, today I am going to be doing, I couldn't find my favorite bowl, so I had to use this black one. This is Makanyanis. Makanyanis is like dried beef chunks, chicken chunks. This is like dried beef chunks. Like back then in the old days, before there was electricity and fridges, people used to do this to store their meat and keep it healthy. Apparently this has high vitamins and it's very good, but it has so much fat. And this is okra, my favorite part. This is okra. Apparently this is dried okra, the not the okra that you guys know that you buy at the shops, but this is the okra that you guys, it grows randomly. Like if it rains and the soil is fertile, this is the kind of okra that grows randomly. A lot of people don't know it, but people from Zimbabwe and in South Africa usually know it. Mostly vendors, they do know this kind of okra, and this is dried okra. So the difference is they dry it, like they pluck it and then they dry it. Like my mom helped me make it. Apparently in her home language, this is Mufushwa. In Zimbabwean, this is Mufushwa. I'm sure Lecture knows this. Babe, you know this. You know that? I'm taking you back home. And vendors call it Mchobo Chobo, I think. That's what my mom told me. I'm not good with this. And this is pop. Plain pop. I'm not gonna finish it all, but I'm pretty much hungry because I didn't eat throughout the day. My cat is behind the wall. My cat. Oh god. Anyways, first of all, let me wash my hands. This is what we do. Don't mind the nails. I'm actually gonna cope with them. I'm pretty much hungry, guys. Like I am hungry. I'm a fan of this. Not really that, but I ate it. So where am I going to start? How am I going to start this? Okay, this is how I'm gonna do it. Let's start, yeah. This is also good. I'm hungry, guys. Like, don't mind me. I ate my food with water. Excuse me. Now let's get into this. This is how much I love this. Like, and this is not supposed to be eaten together, like, but I do it anyways. Like, come here. I like the fruits. I like the oil. I like everything. Like, mm, mm, mm. My mom keeps telling me that one day I'm gonna vomit because these two are not supposed to be mixed. Apparently, this is also famous in Zimbabwe. So a hit. So somebody asked me to talk about mm, um I'll remember. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, masculine tox. I don't know how to say the word toxicity. Masculine toxi. What? This is nice. This is nice. This is hella nice. And I have another layer. Mm. Guys, I am like so hungry. Like so hungry. I'm not even using a fork or anything because I usually use a fork if I have nails. I don't like my nails getting dirty. Or I use gloves. But right now I'm so hungry. I love okra. But I usually eat the one that we buy from the shops. Oh, someone asked me to talk about masculine tox. Yo, food is so nice. Like so nice. Like so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Like I even feel hot right now. Because I was like so hungry. Mm. 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 Sorry. Let's continue. I touched my hair and my face. Uh, yeah. So if this was requested, this was requested like last year by someone. Apparently, we're supposed to do a mukbang together, guys. I will do the whole masculine toxic thing later. Like right now, I'm so this heat is ew, I don't even know how to talk. Like da, 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 da. Let me just shut up and eat. I'm even sweating, guys. Oh my god. I even have pop on my hair. Oh my god. Like I need a fan. Ugh. I feel like an ET right now. Oh my god. Look at how my pop is going. Like I'm full now. But I ate. I ate, guys. I ate. I ate. don't even know what I was saying. What was I saying? Oh my god. Okay, I think I've had enough for now. But I ate. I ate. Yo, I ate, guys. I ate. But if you guys would like me to do another food tasting, like this is like food that it's like cultural food, more like village food. I'm trying to get dry fish. Yeah. Yeah. I'm done. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and I hope I didn't eat like a crazy person, but I am hungry, and that's the problem. If I eat after I've been hungry for quite a long time, I don't finish my food. I ate. I tried. I ate. Like I tried. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.